Hello friends, myself Alpesh Singh and I am from Devas International School. In chapter number 1, our next topic is topic number 1.4 and what is titled the uncertainty in measurement. To see, whenever in laboratory we are performing any experiment, then if we are obtaining any result, then here means so many possibilities are there, and these result may be either related with respect to large number or we can say that small number, clear, and so many time what will happen, whatever result we are obtaining, it is not, we can say that accurate or we can say that not correct. Then in that situation what we are doing whenever we are solving numerical problem, here some methods are given, that type of thing we have to follow it. The uncertainty in measurement, so many a time in the study of chemistry one has to deal with experimental data as well as theoretical calculation. So many time what will happen, theoretically 100% pure thing is possible, but experimentally 100% pure things are not possible. So that type of problem can be resolved theoretically in our chemistry. So how? Here means first method is scientific notation. फर्स्ट मेथड इज साइंटिफिक नोटेशन. जैसे देखो अप टू 10 तक आप न्यूमेरिकल करते थे तो कोई भी नंबर आता है तो इट्स ओके चलता है, लेकिन अब नहीं चलेगा. अब आपको व्हाट एवर आंसर वी आर ऑब्टेनिंग इट शुड बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन साइंटिफिक वे. तो व्हाट इज साइंटिफिक वे? तो सी, केमिस्ट्री इज स्टडी ऑफ एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल which have extremely either low masses and are present in extremely large number. So whenever we are calculating any material's mass, then it may be either large or we can say it small. So how large number is there? So this is example of large number and this is example of small number. So see, in scientific way, so these two number will be not written. So to nullify this type of problem, here we are using scientific notation. And similarly, during calculation, mathematically we are using some basic operation. So which type of basic operation? So multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. In case of chemistry we are using some constant also. So constant H is Planck constant, C is speed of light, Q is again we can say that charge of electron. The value of constant will always remain same, it will never changes. Value of constant will always remain same, it will never changes. So what is scientific notation? The scientific notation is represented with the help of this formula, capital N into 10 power n. So what is n? N is exponent. What is small n? The small n is exponent which may be either positive or negative. And what is capital N? So capital N is number which is always related between 1 to 10. You have to remember this thing. In scientific notation, formula will be capital N into 10 power n. So small n is exponent and capital N is number. The value of capital N is always related between 1 to 10 and value of small n is always we can say that either positive or negative. Now we are applying some means number in scientific way. See, this is 232.508. Suppose if we are solving numerical problem and our answer will be 232.508. So what we are doing? So we are writing this number in scientific way. It means n into 10 power n. So now here decimal will be placed 1 and then after 2. So here we are going left hand side of decimal point. So if we are going left hand side of decimal point, then here exponent will be positive. Exponent will be positive. But see what will happen here. Here 1 and then after 2, 3 and then 4. So suppose if we are going right hand side of decimal point, then it will be written negative. In this way we can find out value of small n. Value of small n. And now see, this is 2.3 and 1.6. So this is related between 1 to 10. In this way, during calculation, if your answer related either this or this one, it should be written in terms of n into 10 power n. This is normally known as scientific way. Now we will discuss some basic operation, mathematically basic operation. तो दिस इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिवीजन. तो ड्यूरिंग मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिवीजन you have to remember one thing. Here power, or in another way we can say that exponent should be same. First of all, exponent should be same. It means value of small n should be same. जैसे देखो अभी 5.6 into 10 raised to 5 and 6.9 into 10 power 8. तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में क्या करना है आपको, सीधा आपको n वाले जो 5.6 into 6.9 and 10, तो 5 बेस सेम है तो पावर विल बी एडेड. तो ये 38.64 into 10 raised to 13 will come. Similarly in case of division, तो ये ऊपर जाएगा, 4 ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा. तो 0.4909 इंटू 10 raised to -7. आप इसको साइंटिफिक फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो, है ना, जो कैपिटल N मैंने आपको बताया. नाउ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. इन केस ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, हियर दिस वैल्यू शुड बी सेम. हियर दिस वैल्यू शुड बी सेम. इसलिए हम लोग ने यहाँ डेसिमल शिफ्ट किया तो 0.895 into 10 raised to 4. Now it is added. The final answer will be 7.545 and into 10 power 4. So this is complete information of addition. So similarly subtraction can be also done. So whenever you are applying, especially in case of addition and subtraction, the here value of small n should be same. So calculation will become easy for us. So this one is scientific notation. So here in case of scientific notation you have to remember only these thing. और आपको पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ से कोई रूल नहीं आता है, but you have to remember what is scientific notation and how we can change our answer in this standard form. Now next topic is significant figure. So whenever we are calculating, then so many time what will happen, after attempting number of attempt or number of effort, we cannot find out here means exact answer. Then in that condition what we have to do, so we have to apply some another concept that is normally known as significant figure. So every experimental measurement has some amount of uncertainty associated with it. मतलब whenever we are doing any experiment, then some uncertainty will be there. So how we can nullify this uncertainty? So however, one would always like the result to be precise or accurate. Precise means set of the value, range, and accurate का मतलब होता है फिक्स नंबर. जैसे आपका वेट है वो फिक्स है और आपकी जो एज है वो रेंज है, रेंज. क्लियर? ऐसे ही आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि रिजल्ट निकलने के पहले हम लोग पूछें तो आप क्या बोलते हैं, 70 to 80 जो ये रेंज है उसको हम लोग प्रिसाइज बोलते हैं. बट रिजल्ट आने के बाद ओनली 1 डिजिट विल बी देयर और ओनली 1% विल बी देयर, तो दैट इज वी कैन से दैट एक्यूरेट. In case of precise, closeness of the various measurement for same quantity, मतलब quantity will be remain same and whatever answer will come, it is very close. Accurate means agreement of particular value to the true value of the result. True value मतलब fixed number. Now this can be explained with the help of this tabular form. Suppose if true value of any result is 2 gram. Suppose if true value for any result is 2 gram. And here means three students are there, students A, B and C. Student A, B and C. Suppose A ने एक बार रीडिंग लिया तो 1.95 आया, दूसरी बार 1.93 आया, ये दोनों का एवरेज कितना होगा 1.940. सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट B ने 1.94, 2.05, इसका एवरेज 1.995. स्टूडेंट C है उसका पहला रीडिंग 2.01, दूसरा रीडिंग 1.99, इधर पे एवरेज आया 2. तो नाउ whenever 3 students are performing 2 different type of analysis, then on the basis of average we can apply concept of precise and accurate. तो स्टूडेंट्स A का जो रिजल्ट है वो आपका प्रिसाइज है बट एक्यूरेट नहीं है. स्टूडेंट B का जो है ना तो वो प्रिसाइज है और ना तो वो एक्यूरेट है, बट स्टूडेंट C जो है वो प्रिसाइज एंड एक्यूरेट दोनों आता है. क्लियर? तो इन दिस वे द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट वी कैन एक्सप्लेन कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्रिसाइज एज वेल एज एक्यूरेट. आप एक बार पूरा ये बोर्ड अच्छी तरह से देख लो.